Affinity by Canvas, your free all-in-one Adobe killer. Still paying every month for Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign? What if I told you there's a free, all-in-one tool that does it all: design, edit, and create with zero subscriptions? Meet Affinity by Canva, the new Adobe killer that's making designers rethink everything. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and start using it step by step. So, open your browser and search for Affinity. Click on the first official link, and you'll land on the Affinity website. To download the software, click on the Get Affinity button. A pop-up will appear showing €0 free. Click on Sign Up and Download. Then continue by signing in with your Google account through Canva. After that, you'll see two options: Mac OS or Windows. In my case, I'll choose Windows, so I click Download for Windows, then select the exe x64 file to start the download. Once the download is complete, run the installer as administrator, then click on the Install button. When the installation is done, you can now open the Affinity application. Click on Sign In, Register, then Continue. And finally open Affinity. And here we are. This is your first look at Affinity. Before you start, click Continue to choose whether you want to share usage data or not. Then click Start Creating, and that's it. You're now inside the Affinity interface, ready to explore all its tools and features. To create a new document, click on the button at the top right of the screen. You'll then see several preset page formats such as A4, A3, letter, poster, iPhone, and many more. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Document Properties panel, where you can adjust various settings like page size, color mode, margins, footer, and other options. In my case, I'm choosing A4, so I click on Create Document button, and here's our new document. As you can see, Affinity includes built-in workspaces for vector, pixel, layout, and canvas, all within one tool. Now, here's an interesting tip: you can customize your toolbar to add your favorite tools. To do that, right-click on the toolbar and select Customize Toolbar. Then simply drag and drop your preferred tools into the toolbar, just like this. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate